Full version for managing 5 USB interfaces from /dev/*0 to /dev/*4. Actually, for unmounting should be an own script, but it can do this way too. More checks added for avoiding a dirty umount. Works only with fat file system USB sticks, and for NTFS and ext4, etc. They need to edit the script and install some fuse packages like fusefs-ntfs and fusefs-ntfs and add them to load via /etc/rc.conf file.